Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I'm trying out something new. That's why I'm so close up to the camera. I'm like uber close. But I'm trying out like a new background. It's taken a while to fix this mess up back here. But anyways, I created this look. I was just like, do you know what? Today I'm just gonna go with it. I got told that my makeup looks are looking boring, so your girl's switching it up a little bit. So I don't think this is boring. I think this is quite lit and I look great. So, you know, you can big yourself up from time to time. So I look astonishing. This entire makeup look, I thought of it off the dome and I look great. So I just show you how to create the look. It's a lot of voiceovers, I believe. I didn't speak throughout it because I was like, do you know what, if I mess up then it's fine. I can just do it again. I can record it again. I didn't waste no breath. So yeah, this is the look. If you guys do enjoy it or do like it, please continue watching, and yeah, I'll see you at the end of my video, I guess, with some little, you know, looking like that. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.
Alright, so we're going to start off by using the Hiiii eyeshadow stick in 20. I'm just putting that all over my eyelid, not taking it too far up because I'm going to be blending that with a brush. And it's with much more of a denser brush, because if it's too loose it's not really going to blend out much. So I used much more of a heavy set brush, you know what I'm saying? So I use that to blend it out. Then taking the Hiiii eyeshadow in 180, which is straight up black, and I put that on top of the pencil just to make it extremely black. Then taking the Revolution Imagination eyeshadow palette with the colours Too Nice and Shoppy, I'm going to start to blend out basically the outer parts of the black eyeshadow, because we want to make it soft, we want to make it look like it's all nice, it's all blended, it's all smoothly done, you know, looking nice and cute. And I just layer up that brown a lot because I really want it to look like a beautiful smooth transition. So that's what I use there. And then I take the Sleek Ooh La La eyeliner in Noir 289, which again is a straight up black colour. It's just a black pencil, and I put that in my waterline and on my lash line and my lash hairs. And with the easiest way to blend out and smoke out a lash line, I use a cotton bud. It's one of the easiest tools that I use, and I think it's very accessible as well, and it doesn't actually hurt my eyes. I don't think so. Yeah, I'm used to it. I just blend it out straight up with a cotton bud. And then putting the same black eyeshadow to make it really softly blend out and to fill in any gaps that may have been left over that I didn't blend through, so the black really blends it through nicely. Then I'm going to take the same colours, Too Nice and Shoppy, on a smaller brush, and I'm going to blend that out because we want all the colours to connect around the eyes. So we want it to make it look all easy peasy, simple, nice and blend out. So that's what I'm going to use there. Then I take the Rimmel, what is this? Wonder Swipe in 010 Cool AF, and I do a winged liner, which I'm quite happy how it turned out because I don't usually do wing liners. So that's what I did. It's a nice purple blue metallic liner. And then I take the colour Ballin', which is the same Rimmel metallic colour. And the great thing about these is that you can use them as an eyeliner or like a shadow, a topper. And they turn out so glittery and it's beautiful. So that's like a nice gold one for the inner corner of the eyes. And then for the inner part on the lower lash line, it's in 001 Slay. Because your girl's slaying over here, your girl's slaying. And it just gives a nice glittery look. And then taking the Goddess of Love highlighter by Revolution and just putting that on the under arch of my brow. Then taking the Primark So Sue lashes in Paris, and I'm applying that really quickly. And I must say the best glue to use for this is Duo Quick Set. That is the best eyelash glue I've ever used, just so you know. Then taking my L'Oreal Extreme Resist X Fiber waterproof mascara, putting that on my lower lashes. This is the best mascara I've ever used in my entire life. This is my third one. I don't think I'm ever going to stop using it. And then I use the Imagination Highlight to the Moon palette using the colour Slay My Life, which is a nice champagne gold. It's a duo, it's two different colours in one, and I use that top of the cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow and chin. Your girl knows where to highlight. Then the Maxinechka Revolution palette, I used the blush called Love's Hue. This is like my all-time favourite. I use this for every single look, and it's just a beautiful blush that I think that goes with everything. And then the Revolution Guava and Rose setting spray to fix that. And then the lip liner, this is the Gosh 005 Chestnut, the ultimate lip liner with a twist. And I just line my lips with that. And then I take the colour, what is this? Vampy Violet by Elf, which is a velvet matte. And I put that on the outer corners of my mouth because I thought, do you know what, let me just ombre it. Then I take Model's Own Sahara June number 10 matte lipstick as well. And that goes right in the centre. And then I take Deep Burgundy by Elf, which is also another velvet matte. And that's how I created kind of like a soft ombre, a soft red ombre. Alright, so this is the final look. It's quite glowy, it's really dark. I decided to pair up a dark eye and a dark lip. I don't usually do the two, it's either one or the other. So yeah, this is pretty much the look and I really like it. It's very dark, it's quite different to my usual stuff. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Every day, 20K, yeah, at the very least for sure. And they say there's no way I should stay with someone like you, but I tell them no. Can't be true, say la-di-da, la-di-da. My one, you think that's when we're done. You only got is one. Ik eet de hooie, but I swear I gotta. People up in Gucci, drip down in Gabbana. These are the girls I know they go and they come, but boy, you know that I'm a prize to be one. Falling in love is like a million and one. Trust me, baby. Say that you with it, don't know what you're up to, so timid.